This be from cash, not from YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Louis Gucci, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, man, by that title and that thumbnail, y'all see what's going on. Currently en route right now to that Shayv little car meet, little pop up. There's 3 of us right now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm the last one. Cut this light off. I'm the last one, always, but we 3 deep right now. They 2 cars ahead of me right now, but I'm gonna try to get some little highway POV right quick, man, before we get there. But before the video start, make sure y'all hit that like button, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, bro, and leave a comment if it's something specific that y'all want to see. But content is rolling, bro. Content finna be rolling for real, for real. I keep saying it, but yeah. They moving up. I'm gonna try to get some content. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to look at my phone because I really don't know where I'm going. I'm trying to look at my phone and drive and record at the same time. So if I ain't talking that much, bear with me, man. But let me see, I'm on side. Sound nasty. I ain't gonna lie for y'all go subscribe to my boy, man. Shit, it's cold as fuck out tonight. I'm gonna put his link on the screen, man. Y'all go subscribe to my boy. That mug is nasty. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch sound too good. He got the Corvette rims on there. Yeah, that boy out here acting bad, man. That boy acting bad out here, but let me go ahead. I'm gonna put the camera. Hold on. I should have threw my shit. Let me go and get over to him. I ain't gonna lie, black cars just look so like, I don't know, them bitches be looking so good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta hurry up and get some exhaust tips, bro. ASAP. I need some exhaust tips, bro. They shit is literally barking, bro. I feel like if I had some exhaust tips, my shit would be loud, a little bit louder. Right now, my shit sound the quietest out of all us. So yeah, exhaust tips coming soon. I'm gonna put this camera down, actually dry it up, cause Michi ass, I ain't gonna lie, that nigga damn near trying to leave us, gang. He trying to leave me too, but I'm trying to keep up. So I'm gonna put the camera down right quick, y'all. Might gotta cut up, but if we do something interesting, like cut up, I'll cut it back on for real. But until then, yeah, so y'all just stay tuned. I'm finna see if Michi do something, y'all. Hold on. Wait till I come around this curve. Make that bitch work, man. Gonna do shit, he ain't on shit. Alright, gang, so we just pulled up, you know what I'm saying, my shit right there, Brody shit right there. I don't know who that is. Brody shit right here. Hey, for your shit sound good as hell.
Appreciate it, bro. I ain't know about
that
I
bitch.
was trying to get y'all. I didn't even know you was getting me a little bit. I'm like, damn, shit. I thought they said no burnouts and shit on the damn fire. It sounds like somebody.
Motherfuckers out here scratching shit up.
Like it, so they trying to blow the spot up.
Yeah, it's over with. They done shut this bitch down, gang. We just, and I see the drone in the air.
They just rapping, like they don't care. Damn. Fuck it, I'm gonna get some.
I'm finna get somebody crashing out on camera.
We gonna get some, man. We get this nice shit out here, man. We gonna get something.
I ain't trying to get hit though.
Yeah, that's hot.
I ain't gonna lie. Shayv done brought the city out. 12 down, another shut it down. They leaving this bitch like a car. What time is it? Who the fuck ran that with it? This bitch started at 8. It's 8:13. Motherfuckers getting packed up.
Fuck it, bro. We gonna get some.
That Mero hard. They acting bad in front of 12s, boy.
We gotta get that grease, man.
Alright. Well, it looked like we got here too late. 13 minutes late. How this bitch start at 8 and it's over at 8:13 and shit. Damn. Fuck. Hey, I got snot coming out my nose for y'all niggas, bro. Y'all better subscribe. Look, they go Shayv, motherfucker. Hey, rev that bitch. Hey, rev it. That bitch loud, boy. 300.
Dudes is fine.
Purple Hulk. I thought I just got popped, folks. I gotta get about this little ass parking lot.
No, for real, bro.
We fucked up coming in this bitch. Oh, no, we can lead out this way. It don't smell like shit, but exhaust. Straight exhaust. Shayv ain't gonna launch that bitch. He ain't gonna launch that bitch. This pink motherfucker do it. Somebody got some loud shit. Okay. That bitch barking. Yep. What are you running for like that, gang? We gotta get the fuck on. That bitch tough. motherfuckers run like that, bro, you don't ask no questions. Who got that shit that's like gunshots? Damn, folk. I know I ain't been talking, but shit, bro, this is crazy, bro. My hands froze. Motherfuckers coming and leaving. Police shut this bitch down. They still here. That bitch Cam. My hands gonna have frostbite after this video, bro. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe, bro. My hands gonna have frostbite after this video. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it. He got the hood off the Infinity. Y'all probably can't even hear me. This bitch so damn loud.
What's next?
We gotta wait now to get up out of here because too much stuff. Shit. He's shooting flames on that bitch. That bitch shooting a flame. Hit that bitch. Shit. Don't need to cut my exhaust on. That bitch ain't talking about nothing.
Oh yeah, that be loud.
He done just shot flames on the Mopar. Alright, gang, so we on the expressway right now. I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm the only person that just left from that way. Well, I ain't gonna say I'm the only person because somebody else probably came this way, but as of right now, I'm literally by myself. The only person going to the second location. I only got on the expressway because I thought my boy and them hopped on the expressway. And by the time I turned, I seen bro GXP all the way up, and I was like, it's too late because I can't turn around on a ramp. So I just like skip it, stayed on the expressway. But my whole thing, bro, when I go to car meets or around a bunch of people with cars, bro, my whole thing is like I try to stay in the back. I try to stay out the way because it's gonna be somebody that's gonna try to show out, do too much, and ball they shit up. And my boy just called me and said somebody balled they shit up. Not gonna lie, nah, there go somebody that's going. Another person. Oh, they hawking me down. Shit, they on the way there. I'm gonna stay in a slow lane. You know what I'm saying? Less accidents, bro. Like I ain't trying to show off. I ain't trying to do none of that shit. I'm gonna get there when I get there. If I get there and it's shut down, that's just what it is. I'm not, hell nah, I'm not doing none of that extra. No sir. But I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I get to the actual meet. I think I'm probably 8 minutes away now. I don't know where I'm going. So my other phone ran out of storage and I'm using a phone that I'm recording on for the GPS. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I get there and show y'all what I can show y'all, bro. Stay tuned. I ain't gonna lie, they smoking this bitch out. He's smoking that bitch out. Oh my God. Not gonna lie, folks. I'm not gonna lie. They fucking this bitch up. I think I parked out the way far enough. Bro, the nigga came, Meech. The nigga came around the pump, drifting that bitch. Swear to God, that nigga. No, I didn't know he was finna do that shit. So, this video gonna be all over the place, bro. My boy got me outside and shit, man. You know, I don't really do shit like this, man. This damn near, this a mini takeover and shit. Strikes out. Y'all see motherfuckers out here got this bitch rocking. They finna call 12 in a minute. They got this. Can't no customers come to this bitch. See this 300? Got the pink wheels on the back. My fault, gang. This motherfucker cam, this bitch sounds so good. Got the wide body Hulk. 5-inch, them 5-inch tips is crazy. Got another, this a Hulk too? 5-7, that bitch crazy. That bitch like a Hulk, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see the lineup though. Another 300. This bitch is rocking. I ain't gonna lie, for this bitch look like the 8. This bitch look like the 8.
Quick tripping motherfuckers.
Hold on. Revving a little turbo motherfucker. Huh? I ain't gonna lie, folks. This shit too crazy. Yep, this how it look with 12, huh? Later, I thought boxed in. Yeah. I'm leaving last, gang. I'm leaving last. Oh shit! that Benz fault? That's the Benz? Nah, I thought that bitch just sounded.
Like that.
That must have been this motherfucker. Nah, that bitch sound like a 4th of July firework. Alright, gang, that is the end of the video. I ain't gonna lie, my hands still froze. I think I got some good content out there, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Went away to the crib, 9/12. Just came, shut that mug down. We was up there for a decent little minute before they ended up coming. I don't think the actual gas station called. I think maybe the truck driver started calling, complaining. I don't know. That could be why, but it was a decent little minute we was up there and shit. But I'm on the way to the crib now, so this is gonna wrap the video up. My bad if it's all over the place. Just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. We was outside, everybody, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that boy brought the city out. I ain't gonna lie. It was so much fast shit out there. But yeah, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. And if you made it this far in the video, let me know in the comments that you made this far in the video, man. And we out.